Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Now Supplements Vitamin D3 5000 IU 240 soft gels. The tablets are small and easy to swallow and the bottle comes full, not half empty as is so often the case. This is an excellent deal. The local big box stores sell 100-count bottles for the same price as these 240-count bottles, so do the math. Unlike D2, which is a man-made synthetic, vitamin D3 is natural and the correct D vitamin to get the benefits your body needs. Best price D3 out there, and you may as well get the 5000 and not waste money on less potent items. Also, if you are a woman who needs to take calcium, vitamin D is key to helping your body absorb the calcium. Great source of vitamin D, very small and easy to swallow, ideal for bariatric patients and people with vitamin D deficiency. The stores around my area only sold them at 1+000 IU for 3 times the price of this item, so this is a great steal for me. The soft gels are small, tasteless and easy to swallow. Anyone like me that stays indoors often without getting enough sun for the VD, this product is a very good buy. This finding seems surprising in that humans, like most other mammals, possess the ability to produce vitamin D3 when exposed to sunlight. Modern lifestyles often limit sun exposure for a number of reasons: long daytime work hours and an office, sun avoidance due to skin disorders or cancer fears, vegetarian, vegan diets and allergies to dairy products can all eventually result in a shortage of this vitamin. These vitamin Ds are pure and good quality, and it has a really good sized bottle that lasts a long time. So what grew on the land when it rested? Weeds and more weeds. Hope you see my point here. And when planting season, all these weeds got turned under to rot. Now Foods vitamin D3 is a great source for providing the additional D3, and the results of my periodic lab tests provide proof of this. Anyone not taking a sufficient supply of D3 is depriving themselves of an essential hormone that helps regulate so many facets of the body. If you're rethinking about adding extra D3 to your diet, make sure you look into adding some vitamin K2 to go along with it. Not much to say, but it is a good brand, and that is a huge dose to kick your body back into vitamin D normal zone. Being able to pop one of these bad boys and be on my way has been a relief, and buying such a large quantity for so little has taken care of my shopping needs for the near future. It has a long time to be indoors without exposure to natural sunlight, the ideal way of getting vitamin D naturally. It has best to take with food or a glass of milk or some yogurt, BC your body absorbs it with fat. This is a very good product, and it was very reasonably priced for 5000 IU in the number of soft gels in the bottle. These really do help boost your immune system. Lots of science supporting how good D3 is for your immune system, especially during flu season, and this is a good daily dosage. As my dermatologist wanted me to take 50,000 units a week, it was more affordable than buying those at the pharmacy. My vitamin D level is always low due to colon cancer surgery, and part of my colon was removed, so several vitamins and minerals do not absorb well. How much you should take depends on a lot of factors, including age, medications, exercise, health, other sources of vitamin D, etc. Even MDs are concerned about the suboptimal vitamin D levels in the population. My doc checks vitamin D levels when he orders blood tests. When people are told to stay out of the sun, easy to understand why people are deficient in this vital nutrient. It has many great benefits, including helping burn belly fat, assisting with certain heart-related problems, and overall makes you feel good. Hundreds of amazing studies in the past decade have proven vitamin D to be somewhat of a panacea, but 400 IU 1T even help 1 iota. The findings of our study support an important role for vitamin D in prevention of common respiratory infections such as colds and the flu. One last thing, if you have dark skin, then you need to supplement with vitamin D far more than light-skinned people. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.